In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from MS Word document. So friends, as we can see, this document has this watermark, like all pages has watermark. So to remove this watermark, that is very simple and easy method. Just click on design. So click on this design tab and click on this drop down underneath watermark, and here the option remove watermark. So click on remove watermark. That's it. Now we successfully removed and delete watermark from MS Word document. That's it. Very simple and basic method. Just open your document and then click on this design tab, and underneath page background click on this drop down and click on remove watermark. That's it. Hopefully you like this video. By this quick method we can know how to remove and delete watermark in MS Word document. Thanks for watching.